Hi guys, it's almost Labor Day weekend, so I wanted to send a quick message out about what I think is going on in the Denver metro real estate market. So typically when we head into Labor Day weekend, we see about a 40% pullback in terms of activity. Now, if you're a seller and you've had your home on the market for 30, 60, 90 plus days, this is probably striking a note of fear in your heart, but truly fear not, because where we are now is considerably different to where we were a year ago. So it's not apples to apples. What am I talking about, you might ask, in terms of things being so different just from a year ago? What I'm talking about is that about half of the homes right now that are active are going under contract in 28 days, which means they're sitting for about a month. That's not the reality that we were used to. A year ago, this was 166% less. Think about it. Just days on market. Why, you ask? Well, it's because we have more supply. Between $500 to $1 million, which is about the bulk of our market, we have 50% more supply. So of course things take time because buyers have more to look at. It's generally a little bit higgledy-piggledy though. For example, homes under 500,000, which typically remained pretty brisk, regardless of what was happening in the rest of the world, right now have to reduce their price about $28,000 to get a contract. That's quite a bit. And on the other end of the spectrum, homes that are over 3 to 4 million, which is less than 1% of our market, well, there's almost 9 months supply of those. 9 houses to every buyer. So most homes are sitting, except some, like a beautiful listing that my colleagues had at 5 Cherrymore Drive, went under contract in 6 days. It was listed at 4.25. So what's going on? With rates moving in the downward direction, even though 40% of all homes above 2 million were cash transactions, overall, the general market is, I think, waiting for these rates to come down just a hair, and it looks like they will. So what will all of this mean for the fourth quarter? Will it be a little bit more robust than we typically see it? Will people want to get off the fence before the election and the holidays? That remains to be seen. And I definitely will have more things to say next week.